welcome back to my channel. If you are brand new to this channel, welcome. My name is Melly. I am currently a nurse at LPN, and I recently graduated from nursing school. And so in this video, I actually wanted to talk about something that not a lot of students know about, things that I wish I knew as a nursing student, and I hope that this can help you guys also. But first and foremost, y'all, before I even get into that, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like this video, because this will definitely help with the YouTube algorithm. You guys, thank you so much for even subscribing, because I am seeing the counts going up. Like, I'm so happy, guys. Like, yay, I'm so excited, you guys, that I'm seeing my counts going up. I'm seeing the views slowly going up, and I really appreciate you guys for sticking to watching my videos and watching me grow and actually fixing my videos too. I really do hope that you guys are actually taking into what I say, and hopefully it helps you. In this video, okay, I felt like lately I've been going through a lot, and so which is why I haven't really updated. In my last two videos, I've pretty much talked about how I felt after graduating, and also the sources that I've used to pass nursing school. And so in this video, really, I wanted to tell you guys, want to help you guys succeed as a nursing student, and also succeed after you graduate nursing school. I feel like the number one thing is nursing programs, at least my nursing program and most nursing programs, they do not talk about the fact that you can apply for a temporary nursing permit. And it's not the TPP, okay, because the TPP is basically for someone that's already an RN, but they're coming into a new state or a new country or whatever, into this country, and they need a practice permit. What I'm talking about is basically a temporary graduate nursing permit, okay? So with this permit, you can actually work as a registered nurse up until you take your NCLEX, and it is valid for 1 year. You can actually apply for that while you're in nursing school, and so that by the time you're done with nursing school, you will already have that and able to start with that role and gain even more experience, which in turn will help you with passing NCLEX, because some of the questions that you're going to deal with is actually going to be slightly similar to what you've experienced with. So schools do not honestly talk about that, and I feel like they need to. It's not just about just passing the NCLEX, because I feel like in order to really pass the NCLEX, I feel more confident about passing it. It's a good idea to actually apply for a graduate nurse permit. A nurse permit, it is best, I feel, to do it in your last semester where you're super confident that you're gonna pass, and apply for it. You have to pay for it, I believe, between $70 and $90. I can't remember. It is on the state website. You just have the same way that where you have to apply for your license, it's the same way where you're gonna have to go down to graduate nurse permit. I actually applied for it before I graduated, because I felt like it would be a very good idea for me, and I don't regret it. People said it's not worth having it, but I feel like it is, because I am able to work as a RN until I actually pass the NCLEX. The only thing is, if you do fail the NCLEX, that actually cancels out your nursing permit.
Well, shit.
So you better be ready for it, okay? If you do not feel ready, push back that NCLEX and keep working with that temporary permit. It's valid for 1 year, like I said, and you can pretty much work anywhere. The only thing that I have noticed is that you do not get paid as well as a regular RN, which is fine, because you're trying to just get your foot in, so that when you actually do get that license, you'll see that pay increase. I think it's a very good idea to have, and nursing school programs do not talk about it at all. Why? I do not know, and I feel like it would help every student so much. It is your choice. You do not have to apply for it, but it is something that you can think about doing. And I tell the people, like, at my job, that I'm not licensed yet. I just have a permit. They're actually surprised and said, oh, I didn't know you could do that. I said, yeah, like you can. It's something that schools do not talk about. So I figured I should tell you guys about it. Yeah, it is a graduate nurse permit and you can pretty much use it. I really wish that they stressed on the importance of applying for jobs while you are in school, not for you to do it on your own, especially if you have to get into a nursing residency. They only have a certain amount of spots available, so you want to apply as early as you can, and you can get an interview as soon as you can, start as soon as you get your license. So apply for a job. You just gotta tell them that you're a nursing student and you're graduating this and you're expecting take your NCLEX exam at that date. They don't talk about that. For me, I actually did not think about applying as early. Some students did, but I didn't, because I wasn't thinking about that. I was thinking that I needed to wait until afterwards to apply for a job, but I shouldn't have done that, because the jobs that I actually really wanted, they were not available anymore. It was either med surg or something else, and I didn't want med surg. By the time I applied, it was too late for me, and the department that I really wanted to be in, which is the mama and baby department, it's way too far for me, so I can't do it. So it kind of sucked. Of course, it's okay because we have so many opportunities out there for new nurses, and so I'm not that worried about it. I could always apply next year or whenever I feel ready to actually work at a hospital. I do wish that we could do is to apply for your license in your last semester. Also, I mentioned about the nursing permit, but you can also apply for that license in your last semester. Why I say that? Because it takes a while for you to get that ATT number. If you apply in the middle of your program, by the time you're done, you graduate, you're taking your exit, and then for them to, you know, send that the education verification, you pretty much gonna get that ATT number quick. And so in terms, you'll be able to register for the NCLEX pretty quick. That's something that nursing programs should talk about. Honestly, those like the 3 big things I've noticed so far. This is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have not done so yet, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to like the video. Also, please leave me some comments about what you wish nursing schools did, and hopefully it kind of would relate to how I feel also, because to be honest, as months are going by, I feel like there are certain things that I wish nursing schools could help students with. So thank you guys so much. I hope to see you guys.